Hi everyone. So here we are with a system of equations I'm going to solve with elimination. And I'm going to do it both algebraically and using the balance scale visual. Please go as far as you need to and try the next step by yourself and then unpause and try it again, or don't even come back to the video if you think you've got it. So elimination is the method where I'm going to combine the equations. I'm going to add them together, hoping to eliminate a variable. So I'm looking here, and I see that I've got 2x and negative 2x. And if I add those two together, I will eliminate x. So I'm going to, and I might draw this and like give myself this idea. I'm going to add 2x, sorry, I'm going to add negative 2x plus 4y to 2x minus 3y. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to take this negative 2x plus 4y. I'm going to add it to 2x minus 3y. Just going to add those together. But remember, I have to keep the scale balanced, so I have to also add 14 to negative 10. Okay. And when I do that, over here, well, let's go left to right, I get 0 x's, which I'll write out so it's obvious. But negative 3y plus 4y, I'm going to be left with a single y. And then on the other side of my balance scale here, remember this means that they're equal when it's balanced. I've got negative 10 plus 14 is 4. So let's see that happen in the algebra tiles. Right? I've got a negative x and an x, that's a 0 pair, a negative x and an x, that's a 0 pair. That is 2x plus negative 2x. They are worth nothing together. Same thing here. Negative 3y plus 4y. There's 3 0 pairs there. So 1y is left over here. I have eliminated the x's. And then 14 plus negative 10 is 4. Right? So I see in two ways now that I'm reasonably certain y equals 4. And from here, I can go back. Maybe I do it in this equation here, negative 2x, just because my balance scale is still set up over here. So I'm going to do that. Negative 2 plus x plus 4y, but I know what y is. I'm pretty sure it's 4. Equals 14. So on the balance scales, that looks like this. Right, I'm going to get some 4s. I need 4 4s. To replace my 4 y's, right? I am substituting 4 for y. So I take the y's away, put the 4's up there. Looks like it's still balanced, right? 4 4's, 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. So now I have negative 2x plus 16 is 14. Okay, this is where the balance scale gets a little weird. Here, I would love to just subtract 16 from both sides. And that would leave me with negative 2x equals negative 2. Right, this is where the balance scale falls apart a little bit. But remember, I can do something really similar by adding negative 16 to both sides. That gets me to the same spot. So here I have 0. Here I have negative 2, just like we found down here. And now this is multiplication by negative 2. So I'm going to undo it by dividing by -2. I'm going to split these up. I want to turn these so it looks a little bit nicer. There we go. And I want to split this into 2 equal groups. Right? And now that dividing by negative, it's the opposite of, right? I'm finding the opposite of. So it leaves me with x is 1. X is 1. Let's see if that's actually true. X is 1. Look at that. All right, so we have our solution. Our solution is 1, 4. X equals 1. Y equals 4. And now I could go back in and test it.